In the last video, I gave Claude Fable 5 a single prompt and watched it build a full playable game using Higgsfield MCP. The characters, sound, the whole thing deployed to a live link. If you missed it, go check that one out first, links in the description. Quick recap on the setup. If you already saw the last video, you know this part. I connected Higgsfield to Claude through MCP, picked Fable 5 as the model, and that's really all there is to it. One connection. And Claude can call Higgsfield's tools directly. This time, I'm not building a game. I'm handing it something a lot of you have actually asked me about, building a full brand website. And I want to push it further than just a static page. Research, code, logo, product photography, and actual motion. Product shots that move as you scroll, not just images sitting there. Let's see what it does with one prompt at a time. Once you open your new chat section, make sure the model you are going to use is set to Fable 5. I'm going to send it and let Claude take it from here. As you can see, Claude is now researching the energy drink market, gathering relevant information, identifying trends, studying competitors, and looking for opportunities that could help create a unique brand position. Now, Claude has completed the research. It identified a market gap, developed a brand concept around it, and even came up with a name. In this case, the brand is called Even. It also wrote the entire website copy, from the hero section all the way down to the footer, including the messaging, positioning, and brand voice. I'm just going to paste my next prompt. Now build the actual website using that copy and branding. Make it feel premium and interactive, not a flat static page. I'll send that now and give Claude a moment to build the first version of the site. So now Claude has generated the website using standard HTML, CSS, and basic web components. While it technically works, this is the kind of result most AI tools can already produce. We have a simple layout, some basic visuals, and a few charts, but overall it still feels quite plain. The product and design looks generic, the branding isn't very memorable, and it doesn't yet have the polished feel you'd expect from a premium consumer brand. So to improve things, I'll send another prompt. Generate the brand logo, the can design, and product photography for the site using Higgsfield's image models. Keep everything consistent with the brand identity you already built. This time, Claude will use Higgsfield's image generation tools to create professional brand assets that match the identity it already developed, giving the website a much stronger visual foundation. Before rebuilding the website, Claude first generated the assets it needed. We now have a professional logo, a much more realistic can design, and high-quality product photography that fits the brand identity far better than the placeholders we had before. Now let's look at the updated website. It definitely made some major improvements. The real product renders are now integrated into the design, the photography feels much more authentic, and the overall branding looks significantly stronger. The site already feels closer to something you would expect from a real product launch. That said, I still think there's room to push it even further. So I'm going to give it another prompt. This time I'm asking Claude to use Seedance 2 to create animated product shots and motion assets that can be integrated directly into the website experience. Claude went ahead and generated realistic video clips and motion graphics based on the product and brand assets. These can be used throughout the website to create a more dynamic experience. If you're happy with the results, you can keep them. And if not, you can always regenerate or refine individual assets until they match your vision. I'm happy with what we have so far, so I'm simply going to tell Claude to wire them in and rebuild the website using the new motion assets and videos. Let's see what it came up with now. Wow, this already looks much better than before. The top section feels far more professional and polished. As I continue scrolling, the overall experience becomes much more engaging. I also really like how this section turned out. The graph is still here, but this time it's more colorful and visually appealing than the earlier version. The animation showing the drink being poured into the glass also adds a nice premium touch. Further down, we have the 3 product flavors, Zuyu, Cucumber Mint, and Blood Orange. One detail I really like is how the product colors change whenever I hover over them. It essentially inverts the colors, helping the can remain visible regardless of what's behind it. Even the footer looks much cleaner and more refined than before. At this point, I'm going to ask Claude to deploy the complete website so it can be shared publicly or launched online. It will package all the assets, generate the final build, and prepare everything for hosting. Unfortunately, the Higgsfield server is currently rejecting deployment requests and returning a 422 error repeatedly for some unknown reason. In this situation, I'll simply download the zip file Claude generated for me. Then I'll copy this URL, app.netlify.com, open it in a new tab, and deploy the project manually instead. Next, I'll drag and drop the zip file I downloaded from Claude directly into Netlify and let it finish uploading. You can either wait for the preview to become available or create a free account if you want additional deployment options. The website is currently protected with a password, so I'll copy the password shown here, open the generated link, and paste it in to access the site. And just like that, the website is now live. Everything is working exactly as expected. The animations load correctly, the videos are playing, the navigation is responsive, and all the interactive elements function properly. The branding is consistent throughout the site, the product visuals look professional, and the overall experience feels like a real commercial website rather than something that was generated from a few prompts. What's even more impressive is that we started with nothing more than a simple idea. Claude researched the market, created the brand identity, generated the product assets, built the website, added motion graphics, and prepared it for deployment. The entire process happened inside a single workflow. What makes this impressive isn't just that Claude built a website. Plenty of AI tools can generate a landing page. The interesting part is everything that happened before the website existed. It researched the market, identified an opportunity, created a brand, wrote the copy, generated the product images, created the motion assets, rebuilt the design around those assets, and then packaged everything for deployment. That starts to look less like a chatbot and more like an actual creative team working through a project from concept to launch. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because in the next one, we're going to push Claude Fable 5 and Higgsfield MCP even further and see what happens when we give it an even bigger challenge. And let me know in the comments if you could have Claude build any business, brand, app, or product from scratch, what would you make? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.